Hey everybody, how's it going? So yeah, today we are doing some more programming. Not a typical thing for us to do on a weekday, but I've been in the mood. So I've got a little to-do list on what I want to do. I tried to scope it down to more immediate stuff, but let's just show you what I've got so far. So we've been playing with Unity, and what we've got is we've got this little area where we've got spawned some ships, and I'm just using some free assets. You can zoom in and out, and yeah, the ships, you can click on them, and you can assign a move, and it shows up in the UI as well. And you can switch up here if you want. Yeah, basically, you've got the selection going on. And then there's a submit button, and they move. It kind of looks weird right now, but we'll work on that. And so that's what I was actually thinking about working on first right now, is making the movement make a little more sense. One thing I ought to do is probably standardize on how large a ship is for math stuff. So it looks like the ship is about, oh, it doesn't have the size there, does it? Oh, the box collider has a size though, which is 13 by 10 or so. So like, I guess if I were to make like another cube or something, and compare, so that's like 15 by 15, which is I mean, that seems about right. And comparing, but yeah, so we don't really need that. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out our code. So what I want to do today is probably try to implement like turns and banks. And we'll see how that goes. So, we're gonna do that probably in our ship controller. So, let's see. Currently, when I've got the move command, the move command's what decides on your destination. Currently just does it based on 100 times what you picked, which is definitely not what we want. So let's actually define like a standard of movement. So if I decide like, hey, maybe 15 units of size or so is my standard, maybe. I don't know. Then let's go ahead and actually just define that as a constant. Hey Kate, how's it going? Doing some programming here. Let's see, actually let's stick this in here. I'll make it public for now. Well, this is, feel free to ask any questions you have any questions about anything. Let's go ahead and define, what do I want to call it? Let's call it like standard ship size or something, and we'll call it 15 for now. This is actually C#, and I'm programming in Unity. Here's the Unity engine. I want to show you, I'll show you real quick what I've got so far. One sec. Yeah. Alright, so I've got it so I can spawn a couple ships, and you can click a ship and pick what move you want to do. And you can click the other ship and also pick a move. And then you can submit the moves. And they move. So, pretty wonky movement right now, but you know, it's the beginnings of something. But yeah, it's in C# for the most part. Alright, so I think I want to have, yeah, pretty much my, I'm trying to design something similar to X-Wing-ish. Hopefully a little easier to play, a little quicker. So we'll see how it goes. But for the most part, it's gonna look a lot like X-Wing. Alright, so we want to do our standard ship size times our speed. Let's see. Actually, let's calculate and I was thinking, in X-Wing, you at least always move your base width forward, so if the speed is greater than 0, we'll move another ship size. I mean, really, I guess what I should do is just say if speed equals 0, probably return. That way we don't have to worry about it. I haven't really implemented stop yet, but I'm sure I'll have a stop later. Alright, so double equals is when you're doing a comparison check. So if I wanted to say, you know, you know, something equals 1, that'll set the value to 1. But if I want to check if the value's 1, then I have to do double equals. And if you want to check if it's not equals, then it's exclamation point equals. That's pretty standard across most languages. Alright, so we got straight. For turns, what we probably want to do, so I was thinking, how far we go is maybe going to be related to this, times like, actually, let's see. So an X-wing, a one turn puts you about, like, a little more than 1 base width diagonally. Let's see, how do we want to calculate that? For now, maybe we'll just do ×2 and see how that feels. But an idea is our x would be minus equals that, and our y, or no, our z would be plus that, because we do move forward as well. And so, I'm thinking I might actually want to, I might want to handle both turns just in the same area. And then we can say if, yeah, that's what we'll do. And if it's a left turn, then we'll multiply by -1. Alright, that way both of our turns are taken care of there. And then we can kind of do the same thing for banks. But for banks, we probably don't want to move as far. Let's see. So like a 1 bank should probably take us forward. So forward and yeah, let's see. So the forward offset of a bank is maybe going to be, let's see, so that's how much we do for a, here, let me just standardize that. I always like putting in extra parentheses just for, you know, making sure you understand the order of operations. You don't really need them for like plus and multiply, but if it gets more complicated, right, you might want to change it. Alright, so let me think here. So this is how much we would go forward normally in 1 straight, but maybe we'll go that much plus a little bit more, because in X-Wing you do go forward a little bit more. Well, we'll just throw this number out. Wait, what's wrong with that? Oh, it's trying to convert to a double. but we'll just use floats. The precision won't really matter for us, at least for now. Alright, so... Oh, I wonder if... I wonder... Yeah, I'm gonna have a problem because I'm not doing this in the, Well, we'll see. I suspect what's happening is we'll probably be moving in the world position. How much coding do you do before checking if it works? I would recommend just checking as often as you can. Whatever makes sense, really. Let's see. So I wanted to do this first, and then we'll. As soon as I do the bank stuff, I'll check if it works. The X offset probably only need to go like maybe maybe like half a ship's width times the speed. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Alright, and so if it's left, it's negative. Alright, well that should be, that'll do something. Let's check it out. Hello, Unity. Alright, so, let's go ahead and put in a bank on this guy, and a turn on this guy, and see what happens. The bank... I feel like the bank didn't really move. Let's pick a big bank. Okay, it is turning. You just didn't go very far. I don't know if he actually turned. Maybe a one bank is not far enough. The left doesn't seem to be going left at all. What we should probably also do is is rotate the ship, among other things. Hold on, let's check out the turns. Alright, so if I turn right... So that kind of went where I expected. What about turn left? That also went where I expected. So like straight... bank right... It does go to the right a little bit. It could probably go a little further. But bank left is not working. And I know why. It's because I didn't, I just copy and pasted this. I didn't actually change it. So, I'll just update that. And we should immediately be able to see it working in the script. Oh, we might have to reload there. Alright, so now I can bank left. But we're not rotating our ship, is the problem. And we're probably going to want to do also just changing the position by like this is not going to fly either. Because we want to change it based on the direction the ship is facing. Alright, so let's do rotation first. So what I've got... So when you're moving, basically as long as you're not really close to your destination, it moves you towards your destination. What? A Miss Ari stream? What does that mean? Alright, so I'm gonna want to update the rotation as well. So how do we want to do that? Currently I've got this destination position there. We're gonna want a probably a quaternion. When I'm doing something smart, huh? Probably. That probably is true. We'll make these private. I don't think anything needs to talk to these. Probably these either. Alright, so that's all our code about position. Now let's think about rotation. Actually, there we go. Alright, so we need to calculate, how to rotate. So, we only need to rotate in these two cases. When we're turning and when we're banking. But let's delete all this in the inner stuff for now. Because obviously if you're going straight, you don't need to rotate anywhere. And what we want to do is isn't there oh geez, quaternion dot. Maybe I want Euler rotation. No, that wants maybe it's just Euler. Returns a rotation that rotates z degrees around. So I think that makes sense, right? Hold on, where else are we doing rotation? Nowhere. Oh no, vector 3 dot up is what I want. Let's see. In the camera controller, we handle rotating. Right. So, vector 3, because we want to rotate around the y-axis. That's definitely what we want to do. And then we need a rotation amount. And we want to rotate a certain number of angles. Oops, I don't want all that. Oh, I'm definitely going to add a barrel roll later. But I haven't decided exactly on how the barrel roll is going to work. But what I plan to do is when you're selecting your movement, let's see. So when you pick a ship, right? I want you to be able to pick an action to go go along with your move. So if you pick like turn right barrel roll, then he'll turn right and do a barrel roll during their turn. And that should affect the final position. I think it'll be pretty cool, but we're still a bit of ways away from there. First we need to actually get turns and banks working. Let's see, how do I... So it's degrees. Okay, if it's degrees, then we're good. Alright, degrees. Degree turn, oh, it's gonna take so long to finish it. Alright, so we just wanna go, 45 degrees. But if it's a, if it's a left turn, oh, and actually, this is 90 degrees. Alright, and, then we're gonna set, end, what did I call it? Destination. Destination rotation to this. Alright, and then, here we go for banks. We're gonna go 45 degrees. Alright, so that's looking good, and then, up here when we're still moving, let's see, I should probably, currently it's gonna be based on the frame rate. What I really want to do is, interpolate based on time. So let's, for now, we're just gonna, movement time is gonna be, just like 5 seconds, maybe. We'll put that in milliseconds. Alright, so then we're gonna do, I think what we'll do here is, yeah, what in the world did I do here? Yeah, that, I don't want that. I want, like, vector 3 to lerp. And, how do you feel about being good stream sniped in Halo? I don't think anyone's stream sniping me. But, I imagine that would be pretty annoying. But yeah, nobody's stream sniping me, I'm sure. Let's see. What we should really do as well is probably record. Let's see. There's a lot of time things here. Yeah, we should probably use like delta time. There's also smooth delta time. I wonder what the difference is. Alright, let's have one more variable. Let's do elapsed time. Elapsed movement time. We can start that at 0, I guess. Alright, so once we set these things, we'll do elapsed movement time 0 there. what we'll do is calculate our what we'll do is elapsed movement time plus equals time, and then we'll say interpolate between start and destination, elapsed movement time divided by movement time. There we go. Alright, so that should do what we want. And if the elapsed movement time is greater than movement time, then I think it should stop doing stuff. Let's we'll comment this out for now. Oh, the comment. What's the wait? I thought it was Control K. There we go. Alright, then I was also thinking quaternion.lerp, and we'll do star rotation, end rotation, dest rotation. Nope, not destroy. Actually, let's go ahead and say we'll just do this math once, and I mean, really, if we want to say if it's greater than 0, it should be. Oh, we can actually use math.clamp for that, or math.min. Yeah, let's do that. Oh, what's the what is it? Math-F? Math-F. Hey, nice. Hanging out on YouTube. Which one do you like better? YouTube or Twitch? I think they each have their pros and cons, personally. Alright, so I think something will happen now. The question is, is it what we want? Alright, so let's give it a shot. So if we try a turn right, we'll try turn right. Uh-oh. We heard an assertion expression. It doesn't like, quaternion lerp failed. Why did it fail? Oh, I wonder if, oh yeah, YouTube, because you can rewind and fast forward. That's pretty convenient. You can easily check back to what just happened. Pretty nice. Alright, yeah, I think what we want to do is, we don't want this to really run unless we've set, yeah, let's, go ahead and set this to start. let's, oh, you couldn't see what I was doing there. But, I'm just trying to make sure the code doesn't run unless, we've already set the movement. Let's try to give it a shot. No, that's failing. Compare approximately. Scalar with 0. I wonder what the deal is here. Nice. Alright, let's print out, since we don't know what's going on, let's just debug a little. And, I'll go ahead and spit out, this value here. And then, what we might as well try is, that's probably enough for now. Alright, let's, clear. Oh, I gotta stop. Alright, so we're trying to do a turn. So it's very small numbers. And, I don't know why. I mean, that's like super small numbers. It should be going a lot faster than that. But, I still don't understand why that's failing. Let's Google this error code real quick. Just to see what they're talking about. The important part being here, compare approximately failing. Oh, so one of my quaternions is set to 0000, I guess. Which is an invalid quaternion. Which I'm a little surprised that it's set to that. Oh. We'll go ahead and assign this just to, and actually it's been bothering me. I'm going to change this to, in position. And in rotation. And then I want to change start as well. Where's start? Whoops. Alright, and we also need to set oh yeah, let's do this up here. That way we don't have to set it there. Oh no, we still want to set it there. We don't have to set that one though. Was there something else I wanted to check? Let's, oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Yeah, I always have a hard time switching between, I gotta remember to hide and unhide one of my things. It didn't move anywhere at all. Does straight still work? No, straight doesn't work either. The reason is, let's see, I did set this to 0. Oh, this is in seconds. That's not what we want. We want like milliseconds. Is smooth delta time in milliseconds? How do I get it in milliseconds? I mean, I guess we can divide by 1,000. Since it is a float, I mean, I guess I can have my time in seconds as well. That way I don't have to, yeah, let's do that. So we'll just go with 5 seconds. Since we're just using floats, should be fine. Alright, that explains why perhaps my numbers were off a bit. How long have I been coding for? Oh geez. I mean, pretty long time. When I was a kid, I used to mess around a little bit on my family computer. So, definitely a long time. I mean, I studied computer science even in high school a little bit. We had a class in you could take as an elective that was programming. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I used to do like coding competitions at school. That was pretty neat. Okay, nice. Looks like we've got something working for us here. The funny thing here will be, if we try to go straight now, we're gonna go this way instead of this way. Oh, I didn't reset my start position either, it looks like. Wait, what? I feel like he's moving. That's really weird. What happens if I try to turn again? Wait, what? Oh, I think I know what's going on roughly. I'm like Mark Rubber levels of coding. Maybe. My Unity experience, though, I've probably only spent like maybe about 5 or so hours messing with Unity. And I mean, I do, my day job, I program for a living. Alright, so there's lots of problems here. First off, we're not setting start position, which we do need to set. There's a problem with the latest sub. Is it outdated? Yeah, Stream Elements. Stream Elements has been a little weird for me. Like, I feel like it's not updating. Hold on, let me log into Stream Elements. Oh man, it's been so long since I set this up. Let's see. I assume you just subscribed and that's why you're telling me it's wrong. Where? Alright, let me try. Okay, so when I test it on their website it works. But it didn't seem like I really got the real notification. So I'm not sure what the deal is with that. So yeah, when I hit the test button it works, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to fix it if it's still broken. Thanks for subscribing though. Anybody that subscribed. I wonder, Twitch seems to be up to date though. Let's see. Can I somehow fake it for you? I don't know if I can, no, it's just a random name. So I don't think I'll be able to, let's see. Yeah, I can just click it, but, that's not gonna work. I can make it look like I'm getting money, I think. Oh man, how many times did I click it? Alright, let's stop doing that. Yeah. I wish. Let's see. Oh no, that's already on screen. Oh well. Yeah, sorry, I don't know. Yeah, I blame Stream Elements. It's all their fault. Alright, let's get back to programming. So I was thinking, so we can fix that for sure. But then, what we really need to do with the rotation is we need to have a position as well. So we want to decide the position based on, not based on Z. Can we do like we kind of want to change, so there's like a forward vector. Right, that's a vector. It's a normalized vector representing, yeah, that's what we want. And I think we can just times equals the movement distance. In the word of Dr. Doofenshmirtz, curse you, stream elements. Yeah, hold on. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, it's freaking stream elements. Grr. Always messing things up. I never use my my random face settings very much. It's too much trouble a lot of the times. I really do like them though. Alright, so let's see, forward. So basically, once we multiply this, this is how much we want to move. And like in position plus equals forward? Question marks? maybe that's right. Alright, let's see if that works. If it works, we'll take off the angry face. Alright, so first let's turn. Actually, first let's just go straight. Alright, so that worked. Alright, let's turn. I probably don't need to be 5 seconds, do I? Alright, let's go straight again. Nice! Alright, so let's fix it up for everything else. Alright, we're just gonna copy this. Oh, it's gonna get a little more complicated this time though. Because we don't want to just go forward, right? We want to go, in this case, we want to go diagonally. I wonder if we can, I wonder what we should do there. Oh, okay, yeah, here's what we'll do. We'll also use the left. Or is it right? I thought there was left too. I guess there's only right. Alright, so then that's how much we want to move forward, that's how much we want to right. But if we're turning left, we want to go the other direction. Is times equals -1 correct here? I think it is. Whoops. Alright, and then in position, we want to do plus equals forward and right, I think. I think that makes sense. And let's change our movement time to like 2 seconds, or just 1 second. Alright, so We should be able to turn around in a circle now, but the rotation I still haven't fixed. Yeah, so we still just gotta fix rotation, but but yeah, it looks like it's working. So let's see. Let's go ahead and fix up banks. So for banking, the forward offset will multiply by forward, and the side offset, let's call it, is how much we'll multiply right by. And then we'll do the same thing. Alright, and then for rotation, instead of vector 3 dot up, we want transform dot up, I think. And that should do it. Alright, let's try it out. So let's have this guy do like a 3 bank and this guy do a 1 bank. And then the moves should still be set. No, maybe not. Alright, we'll do it again. Oh, it's still not continuing to rotate. Oh, and the rotation needs to be right for the other thing to be right. So I thought transform dot up would do it. I think transform dot up is always going to be like 0, 1, 0. Oh, yeah, that's what we want. So I figured it out. We just want to have star rotation plus this rotation. Oh, maybe I times it. That's what we want. That should do it for us. So it should be able to turn around in a circle now if we want. Let's have this guy do a big circle and this guy do a little one. Nice, so seems like it works. Maybe this guy will bank right and this guy will bank left. And we'll do it again. Alright, that's looking pretty good. I wonder... It still looks a little awkward though, because they're not really going far enough sideways for the bank. But I think we just want to change how much they move. Oh, it's because I only go half a ship. Maybe we'll go a full ship size sideways. That's probably enough to feel a little bit better. Yeah, that seems good. We might want to try tweaking how much like the rotation still looks a little awkward. Oh, and I know why. It's because I probably want to have it so the ship. Oh well, first off, I think it'd be pretty cool if we rotated it around how does that work? The rotation. The rotation is not based on the ship size, actually. That's the position. So the standard ship size is just 15. So I'm trying to base all the movement based on how big the ship is. That way you kind of always have an idea how far things will go. But yeah, the rotation is just degrees based. But I was thinking there's two things we want to do to make it look better. We want them to tilt the ship in the direction of the turn, because I think that'll look really cool. And then probably for banks, well, let's try that for banks, maybe go straight for a little, then rotate ship for the turn. I don't know if we want to do that or not. But let's try tilting the ship sideways. So to do that, shouldn't be that hard. But we'll want to do like kind of a parabolic interpolation. So let's see. Oh, but currently, let me think about this. It's a little weird because I just have a final destination for the full rotation matrix. But what I could do is I could always multiply by another rotation matrix, which is like the tilt amount. I think that's what we'll do. So just to make sure I've got the right thing going, let's see, how do I want to do it? How do I want to do it? So kind of what we want to do is we want to rotate around forward, the forward vector. Let's go ahead and grab another private quaternion. It's called like tilt or something. Tilt quad. Alright, and let's just have this default to does that make sense? No, that doesn't make sense, does it? What's it called for a quaternion that doesn't do anything? I guess it would be like this, right? So that's a quaternion that doesn't tilt you at all. And then, asking the wrong person, huh? Alright, so let's try, transform.forward times, how far should we tilt? Probably not 45 degrees. Probably, let's try just like 15. Let's try 35. 35 for a hard turn. And, 20 for a bank. We can always tweak it. And, we probably want to do, hold on. Let's do it like that. And then the quaternion, we probably want to do... Yeah, let's, we'll do it this way. We'll just, copy it. Because we want to tilt left when we go left and right when we go right, right? So we'll see if that works. And then up here, but rather than just assign it like this, what we actually want to do is we want to interpolate. We want to interpolate. So when we're in the middle of our turn, we want to be completely tilted, right? But I don't know if this is going to be correct, but we can try it. So if I was to go like this, the problem is at the end of the turn we would be completely tilted, which is not exactly what we want, right? Instead, we want some kind of like parabolic lerp. Let me investigate a little. I wonder what I want to do. So let's see, I kind of want to do like Yeah, what I want to calculate is diff from midpoint, and that's going to be ff.abs. That's going to be that. So this should be how far it is from the midpoint. And then the something like that. So when we're really far, maybe I want to subtract, because when we're really far, I think I want the inverse of this. So like when you start off, diff from midpoint is going to be equal to move-in time over 2. And we want that to be effectively 0, right? Let's see. So then I think I just want to do, I need to figure out what to call this. For now, I'll just do diff from midpoint minus equals this. Is that what I want? So when you're at the midpoint, this would evaluate to 0. It would be negative. That's not right. Oh, what I should do, yeah, I think I know what I want to do now. How does it feel coming up on my 1-year anniversary? It's pretty surprising, actually. Basically, last year, I just thought it'd be kind of fun. I've got this camera, I might as well give streaming a shot. And I wasn't really even expecting to do it for very long necessarily. But it was pretty fun, so, I stuck to my schedule. And then here we are. Here we are a year later. And I'm still doing it. Which is pretty cool. I haven't really worried about my numbers or anything. I'm mostly just doing it for fun. So I haven't really put much effort into advertising. And that's fine. I don't really care. But it has been nice having some people come along with me on my journey. That's always fun. Alright, so what I want to do is I think I just want to do 1 minus this. Does that make sense? I think it does. So when we start out, this will be equal to our midpoint. So then this part evaluates to 0, and this part evaluates to 1. So then we'll be tilted completely. No, that's not right, is it? This shouldn't be so hard. Maybe I just wanna... Alright, hold on. We'll just split this out and make it a little easier to read. But yeah, I'm kind of disappointed I haven't really planned out anything cool for the anniversary, but I don't know, it kind of got away from me. Came up too fast. Alright, so at the beginning, this is going to equal mid-time. So this is mid-time, this is mid-time, this is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, and we're going to be at no tilt. So that's right. And then when we're at the mid-time, this is 0, this is 0, and we're at 1, which is full tilt. Yep, that makes sense. And then when we're past mid-time, this is going to equal mid-time. This will be 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, we're no tilt. Alright, I think that works. Let's see what happens. What kind of disaster we end up with. It can't be that bad, right? That was kind of neat. But it was also the wrong direction. Oh, that was like tilting forwards. Why? Why is it like that? I don't get it. Oh, hold on. So right does go right, but left also goes to the right. Wait, no it doesn't. Okay, hold on. I think it's based on... What is going on here? So it should be the unit quaternion, and based on the forward transform, let me slow it down a little. I'll do like 3 seconds. Alright, so if I go right, he's tilting to the left instead. Hey Link, how's it going? Why is it the wrong way? Is it just backwards? But no, he tilted like forward that time. It's been pretty good. I've been trying out this Unity nonsense. It doesn't go the way I want to go. I went jogging today, nice. Yeah, I was climbing yesterday. I'm pretty tired. Did lots of top rope. It was fun. Alright, I'm a bit mystified as to why this is wrong. Alright, let me try 45 and 90 degrees just to have it be more clear what's going on. I mean, I've been doing it since January or so. So it doesn't hurt too much these days. I mean, my interpolation looks correct, but like why was it like that time? Yeah, it was pretty bad sometimes. I feel like your fingers and your skin on your hands, it really depends on which types of things you're climbing on. What is going on? I don't quite understand. Let's see. So currently rotation is 0. We turn left. Yeah, this is the game design session we had. I'm trying to make my my ship tilt as it turns, but it doesn't. It only does it correctly sometimes, which I'm a little confused by. So I wonder if it has to do with how I'm multiplying the rotation matrices here. Yeah, there were no free assets for that, so that's why we're doing a ship for now. But I can probably throw something together at some point. I wonder if I want to do this rotation, this multiplication first. Does it matter? I don't know if multiplying, if the order you multiply them, it matters. I don't remember. Yeah, I really like this song. It's pretty nice to just vibe to. Alright, I took a class in 3D math back in college, but that was a while ago now. And I don't really use any 3D math or anything in my job, so that makes it pretty hard to remember what I'm doing here. Yeah, I've been doing good. Yeah, 3D math. It's used for game programming and stuff. Basically, it's just matrix math. I mean, you could you could take a whole class on it, but there's a lot of math to it. Okay, so the order does matter. Turns out it does matter quite a lot. Bloomberg stuff. What? Like the news? Like the news agency? I don't understand. Is there something with matrix math about that? Oh, Bloomberg's functions? Yeah, I don't remember any of that. Alright, so the real problem is I don't understand enough about this to know what to do here. I thought I would be able to just multiply it. Oh, it's finance stuff. I actually took enough business classes in college to get a math minor. I mean, a business minor. But, it was a massive waste of time. Cool, thanks for dropping by, Kate. I'm probably not going to stream too much longer, actually. Because I want to go get food. At some point. I did kind of want to figure this part out, though. Let's see. How in the world do you do it? Like, I feel like if I multiply it by this first, that's gonna mess things up, right? I thought I'd be able to do it afterwards. Oh, I wonder. I wonder if I need to do, yeah, here's what we're gonna do. Yeah, the multiplication order does matter, but that's not quite the problem we're running into, I don't think. So the problem is I'm using the current transform.forward, and but as we move, that's wrong. So what we're gonna try is just recording how much we want to tilt. Actually, let's do it this way. Alright, so we're going to record that. And then up here, when we're deciding how much to tilt, Unity 101 with me. Yeah, I thought about naming the stream, not a tutorial or something like that. Oops, I can't even type not a tutorial without auto stuff going on. Alright, so we've decided how much we want to tilt. But what we want to do now is take the current transform.forward. Whoops, I spelled it wrong. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is try this out. I don't know what's gonna happen, but maybe it'll be right. Somehow it might be right. Oh my goodness, the ship is going crazy. So that's like somehow worse. Those are quite the maneuvers, aren't they? Let's make sure going straight still works fine. Yeah, straight works fine. Well. Yeah, it's not quite what I had in mind. Not quite what I had in mind, is it? Yeah, I'm using a thing called a Spud controller. Or not Spud controller, Spud mouse. Somebody made a pretty cool little thing. My, depending on the letters I type on the keyboard, too, the hand moves a little bit. Alright. So I was thinking, I would try, so there's, yeah, the Spud, the guy that made Spud controller, Spud mouse and keyboard, he also made one called Spud controller, but, to make that not look stupid, I need to figure out how to shade, color the arms, and, no, I type with both hands, but, that's just how it works, right? Yeah, I need to figure out how to color the arms correctly, otherwise it looks bad. That's, it's too difficult. Alright, I was thinking, okay, yeah, I think I know what we're doing wrong. I feel like we're gonna mess it up. Oh, the controller though, it definitely looks bad. Trust me on that one. For the hands, for the mouse and keyboard though, it's you can't really tell. And this is about how pale I am anyways. Funny story, I went into work on Monday to a coworker was who lives out of town. He was coming in, so we kind of had like a team lunch, and they wanted to sit outside, so we sat outside for like 30 minutes, and of course I got sunburned. Pretty funny. Not badly or anything, but enough to be annoying. I mean, it's pretty much fine today. A little bit, yeah. Oh, no, I never get tanned. I only have two colors: pale and tan, and burnt. Pale and burnt. I try to use, when I actually know I'm going to be outside, I try to use, like, the mineral-based sunscreens, like, with zinc and, whatever else is in them. The good ones. They work really well. Gotta get your sunscreen with heavy metals in it to protect you. Alright, so I think what's the problem is I think I want to do kind of the same thing with the degrees that I'm doing with the tilt here. I don't know, I might need to, have I ever tried? Not really. I mean, how am I supposed to get a tan if I burn in 10 minutes? Doesn't make any sense. I might have to, oh yeah, I bet if you're outside a lot in, South Africa and you probably get a tan. Yeah, I try to put on more sunscreen every hour. If I don't do that, I burn up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to look up how to do this later. Because, the math, I don't know about this math. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'll investigate later how to do this correctly, and it'll be good. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got. So if you pretend for a second that the turning looks correct. Oh my goodness. I mean, I think we're in a pretty good spot here. Yeah, I think that'll be pretty good for our movement. Oh, the bank looks really weird still. Oh, maybe if I tilt the right way though, it won't look as bad. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, let's check my to-do list before we sign off. So we still need to figure this out. And I've got a lot of UI work to do to make the UI feel a little more responsive. Like, I want to have like selection indicators and stuff. Oh, I kind of want to focus on the ship too. I also kind of want to change the camera angle, but I was having a little trouble making right click, like basically what I was thinking, I kind of want to be able to do this, right? But I was doing something a little weird, and it wasn't. Yeah, I think again, it has to do with rotation matrices being multiplied. So once I figure that out, maybe it'll work for both of those things. But yeah, so we've at least got movement kind of working. I do want to have a preview of where you're going to go. I should look into doing that too next time. But yeah, I'll probably work on this some more. Well, definitely on Thursday. I don't know if I'll do any on Wednesday or not. We'll see. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get some food. I will see you later. Bye-bye!